Hi everyone, welcome to the third section of this video. In the first and second section, we've looked at what Stratis in Linux is. We've looked at how to configure Stratis in Linux. We've looked at the differences between Stratis technology and the LVM technology. So in this video, we're going to look at the step-by-step process of how to extend the Stratis pool and how to create a Stratis snapshot. And quick one, if you're going to be writing the RHCSA 8 exam or the LFCS exam, just come to this website. At the end of every lesson in this website, there's always a link that will take you to the RHCSA 8 exam practice questions. So it will take you to the collection of the questions. So it's better you solve as much as possible questions before you write the exam. It's very important. We have been able to configure Stratis in the previous video. We created the Stratis file system. So in this video, we're going to be adding a block device to the Stratis pool, or rather we're going to be extending the Stratis volume. So to do that, let's confirm the block device that we want to add to the Stratis pool. So on this system, I'm going to be adding the SDC block device to the Stratis pool. Okay, so let's verify the pool again. So I'm going to do Stratis pool list. So I want to be adding the SDC block device to the technid underscore pool. Alright, so and to do that, I can also, before I do that, let's like we did in the previous video, let's see the block devices that are attached to this pool. So I'm going to do this to technid pool. And you can see that we have the SDB device and STD device attached, which is 2 gig and 3 gig, making this pool 5 gigabytes. So now I'm going to add the SDC block device to the pool. To do that, I'm going to use the command Stratis pool add data on technid pool with the device SDC. Okay, I'm going to press the enter key. We can now verify if the device has been added to the pool. So I'm going to use the command Stratis block device list. So you can see that the SDC device, which is 4 gigabytes, has been added to the pool. If I do Stratis pool list, you can see that the pool has been increased, it has extended. So this is how you're going to add a block device to a Stratis pool. So now let's see how we can create a file system snapshot using Stratis. So let's of course verify the technid file system, which we know that it exists. Okay, and I'm just going to do the command Stratis file system list. I'm going to grab this on the technid file system. Technid. We created this in the previous video. So we created technid file system. So what we want to do now is to create a snapshot of this technid file system. And to create a snapshot, I'm just going to use the command Stratis file system snapshot. I want to create a snapshot of technid file system. So it's going to be technid pool technid file system and the name of the snapshot. So I can call the name of the snapshot technid snapshot. So it's creating the snapshot now. It's taking time. Alright, so it's created it. So let's verify if the snapshot has been created. So to do that, I'm going to use the Stratis file system list. I can grab this to technid snapshot, but let me just list everything so you can see the technid snapshot here. Let me widen my screen so you can see it very well. Alright, so you can see okay, here it is. Technique Snapshot. Alright, so this is the snapshot, and it has the exact copy of the file system. So of course that's what the snapshot will do. It will create the exact copy of the file system. So depending on your environment, depending on what you want to do, you can mount the snapshot if you wish, and if you don't want to do that, you might not do that. So if I want to mount, for example, I can make a directory, and I'm going to call this directory Technique. Let me call this Technique Snapshot. Alright, so I can mount this on Technique Snapshots. I can just do mount. I'm going to copy the path, which is here, just the same way we did when we were configuring Stratis in the second video. Alright, so I'm going to mount this on Technique Snapshot, so we can confirm that it is mounted. So this is Technique Snapshot. So guess what? You know, we had a file on data22. So let's see if that file is on Technique Snapshot. So let me just cd to Technique Snapshot. And let me do ls. So you can see that file here, Technique file. It is also in Technique Snapshot. Okay, so that was the exact copy of the file system we configured in the second video. The first or second video, if I'm correct, we also have that same file here. Okay, and to delete a snapshot, you just have to unmount the mount point and then use this command to delete a snapshot. It's the same thing, the same way you're going to delete a file system. Alright, so if you want to learn more about Stratis, you can come to this website. I'll be dropping the link to this website in the description section below. So I also want to mention something. You can't remove a block device from a Stratis spool for now, as of when I'm doing this video. That can't be done. You can also click on this link on Reddit's website link to see the discussion around this removing the block device from a Stratis spool. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe to this channel, and bye for now.